People always ask me how to make oatmeal, how to make steel cut oatmeal. I'm all about efficiency. So I use an Instapot. I use steel cut oats. So 1 cup of steel cut oats and 4 cups of water. You put that in the pot, and then I add usually a tablespoon or 2 of flax seeds. Then I cover the entire pot surface with cinnamon, and then I set it for 6 hours. You want to use the slow cook function, 6 hours, and then the keep warm so that if it finishes early, it stays warm. You want to keep it vented and not the pressure cook function. Here's the vented version. And then if I set it at night, and then it's ready in the morning to eat. And then you have beautiful oatmeal. So make sure to enjoy. It's absolutely delicious. Try to eat oatmeal often. It's a great prebiotic, loads of fiber, so good for you.